Hey, it's Jo here from OK Keto. Well, some trying times, but let's make the best of it. We've all been to the supermarket and found that the things that we normally buy just aren't on the shelf. So I was thinking the other day, I remember I used to make my own yogurt. Now, admittedly, that was with the Thermomix, and that's easy peasy if you've got one of those, but not everyone does. So I've adapted the recipe for stovetop, and it makes a great creamy yogurt. All you're going to need is a pan, naturally, a kettle full of water, 800 mils of milk, maybe a tablespoon of powdered milk. I haven't used any in this example, but it does thicken it up a little bit. You need a thermos and, very importantly, a thermometer.